Keep On Keep Up is a simple NHS-approved app for your iPad or Android tablet. It's been designed to help older adults improve strength and balance and optimise healthy ageing. To use the app, you first need to download it from Apple's App Store or the Android Play Store. Press the App Store or Play Store icon on your screen. Press on the search bar, type Keep On Keep Up, and then press Enter. A link to the Keep On Keep Up app should appear. Press it, and you will be taken to the app's download page. Press the download icon, which is shaped like a small cloud with an arrow, or press Install in the Android Play Store, and the app will begin downloading. When it's finished downloading, you can press Open, and the app will open for the first time. Before you can use the app, you need to agree to the terms and conditions. Once you've done that, you can press OK, let's go. The first time you use the app, you'll need to answer some questions. First, enter your name and then press OK. Then, enter your date of birth and press OK again. Then enter your gender and press OK. The fourth question is designed to help you tell the app about your strength and balance. You'll be asked to read 4 statements and then choose the one that best describes you. Press the statement you've chosen and then press OK. Next, you'll be asked some questions about falling. The first question will be about whether you have fallen in the last 12 months. What's meant by a fall is an unexpected event in which you've come to rest on the floor or lower level. If you have fallen, then you'll be asked some more questions about the consequences of your fall, or your most severe fall if you've had more than one. You'll also be asked some questions about how concerned you are about falling, even if you've not had a fall. You won't have to answer these questions again. The first time you use the app, you'll be given a quick walkthrough which explains how it works. Once you've read the information on each screen, press Next. When you've finished the walkthrough, you're ready to begin using the app. This is how the app will look every time you open it from now on. The first screen shows a series of exercises for today. This series of exercises might differ every time you use the app. You can choose a set of exercises by pressing on it. For each exercise, you'll get information about why the exercise is helpful, then instructions on how to do the exercise. You might also get some safety advice. Then you'll be given time to do the exercise. The on-screen animation will show you how to do the exercise properly. Repeat the exercise as many times as you can manage. When you've completed several repetitions of the exercise, press Finish on your screen. You'll then be asked to confirm how many repetitions of the exercise you completed. You can do this by pressing the plus or minus icons until you get to the right number. Then press OK. The app will then return to the screen showing today's exercise program. Any exercise you've done will be greyed out and marked Done. The remaining exercises will be bright white and marked To Do. To complete those exercises, press on them and follow the instructions as before. Once you've finished all the sets of exercises, you'll be asked how you feel, and if you feel okay, whether you would like to do more exercises or whether you have had enough. The app will tell you when you've completed all the day's exercises, and it will send you a notification when it's time to do some more. If you press on the green Your Progress tab at the top of the screen, you will be able to see how far you've progressed through each exercise program. Here, you can see that I've finished one session of one set of exercises and that there are 2 sets of exercises in Program 1. The app includes some games to help you improve your health and safety around the home. You can find the games by pressing the blue Games tab at the top of the screen. You can then choose which game to play. If you press the red Exercises tab at the top of the screen, you can access all of the exercises from all of the programs in the app. When you've finished with the app, press the Home button on your device and you'll be taken back to the home screen. The Keep On Keep Up app will appear on your home screen like this. Just press the icon every time you want to use the app.